Our bodies are constantly exposed to harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Thankfully, our immune system is a powerful defense system that protects us from these invaders. Immunity is the body's ability to recognize and fight off these harmful agents. It's like having a personal army inside us, always on the lookout for threats. There are two main branches of the immune system: innate and adaptive immunity. Innate immunity is our first line of defense, providing a rapid but non-specific response. Adaptive immunity, on the other hand, is a slower but more targeted and long-lasting response. Within adaptive immunity, there are two key players: cellular immunity and humoral immunity. These two arms of the immune system work together to provide comprehensive protection against a wide range of pathogens. Understanding the difference between cellular and humoral immunity is key to understanding how our bodies fight off infection. Cellular immunity, also known as cell-mediated immunity, is like the special forces unit of our immune system. It directly targets and eliminates infected cells. The key players in cellular immunity are T lymphocytes, or T cells for short. These T cells are like skilled assassins, trained to recognize and eliminate specific infected cells. Imagine them carrying little wanted posters with the unique molecular signature of a particular pathogen. When a T cell encounters an infected cell displaying that signature, it binds to it and releases toxic molecules that destroy the infected cell, preventing the pathogen from replicating and spreading. This direct cell-to-cell combat is a hallmark of cellular immunity. Humoral immunity, on the other hand, is like the air force of our immune system. It fights infections by producing antibodies, which are specialized proteins that circulate in the blood and other bodily fluids. The stars of humoral immunity are B lymphocytes, or B cells. Each B cell is like a factory, programmed to produce a specific type of antibody. These antibodies act like guided missiles, targeting specific molecules called antigens on the surface of pathogens. Think of antigens as the enemy uniform that helps our immune system recognize invaders. When an antibody binds to its target antigen, it can neutralize the pathogen, preventing it from infecting cells. Antibodies can also mark pathogens for destruction by other immune cells. This antibody-mediated attack is a defining feature of humoral immunity. While cellular and humoral immunity have distinct mechanisms, they are interconnected and work together to eliminate pathogens. Cellular immunity is crucial for eliminating intracellular pathogens like viruses that hide inside our cells, while humoral immunity is effective against extracellular pathogens like bacteria that circulate in bodily fluids. Think of it this way: cellular immunity is like hand-to-hand combat, directly targeting infected cells, while humoral immunity is like aerial bombardment, using antibodies to neutralize pathogens from afar. Both strategies are essential for a robust immune response. In summary, cellular and humoral immunity represent two arms of the adaptive immune system, each with its unique mechanisms and target pathogens. Understanding the difference between these two arms is crucial for understanding how our bodies fight off infection and disease.